welcome to my channel. Welcome to your July 2021 energy check-in. I'm going to cater to a few questions, direct questions, and we'll be pulling few advice from the spirits, your gods, divine, higher beings. So let's hop on to your reading straight away. So the very first thing that I'm going to ask is, what is the current energy, Aries, that you have at the moment, which is pushing you towards July 2021? Okay, so what is your current energy like? Aries, July 2021. Aries. All right. So your current energy is the Chariot, Cancer sign, and Seven of Cups. So both of this, Chariot is also 7, Seven of Cups is also 7. So at the moment it seems that you are under some sort of confusion. You are emotionally confused between various choices. You have a lot of choice, and probably at the moment you have definitely come to a point wherein you know what to choose. Okay, it can be between people, it can be between jobs, various other options. You seem seven is a number of gods, presence of gods. It's like it actually talks about balancing of your good and evil, and with determination and courage taking that final step. So that it's some battle definitely you're going ahead into your in your life, maybe in your mind, in your emotions. And but good thing is, by the time you move into July, you will have clear-cut understanding of which path to take. Okay. All right, so July is also 7th month, so this is going to be very significant for you, Aries. So Aries, you are fire sign, and here you have two cards. At the moment, you are into a very watery kind of an energy, because these two are water signs, okay? So it's important to be, this July month is 7th month is going to be very crucial for you. That will help you to move forward, and it's important for you to be in your own skin. Okay, you may be feeling a little emotionally torn, but it's a battle with your own self. But I think you will be able to overcome, because Chariot is a very powerful card. It is a card of victory. So it is basically victory over your confusions. You finally are coming to a decision, and that is what, probably not in action, but at least energetically in your emotions, in your mind. And with that, you move into July, Aries. And you're being your ruler is Mars, so a lot of martial energy is definitely here. And around mid of July, you will see a lot of action oriented. I think you will be able to take action on the decisions that you're taking at the moment. Okay, because Mars, from its debilitated position in Cancer, will move to Leo, which is a breather, and it will be easy for you to express yourself, take actions, come out of this emotional turmoil, and finally, whatever you would have decided, you are with courage and determination, you would move there. Okay. All right. Next question that I want to ask for you is, what is it that you don't see coming in July? What is it that you don't see coming in July, Aries? Two of Wands and the Star. So there's wish fulfillment coming up. You have to plan something. You have to, again, this is again a decision card. So you actually have to decide. What you don't see coming is, finally, from many options, you'll come down to few options, one or two or three options, and then you ultimately plan your life. You come to a conclusion that this is what I want to do, because you have to you have Star here. Star is a card of healing. It's a card of wish fulfillment, hope fulfillment, being hopeful. So I was anyways talking, the current energy is anyways very confusing. You have to maintain that hope, and with that determination, you have to fight that battle, emotional battle, and you come to a point of taking that decision and planning your life, making choices between people, things like that, okay? And then there's a lot of healing here. Okay, things will start turning into your favor somewhere around the mid of July. I think I told you right. Yeah. Okay, what is the piece of advice for you from the angels, divine, God, universe, whatever you believe onto? Let's see, what are the piece of advice for you for July 2021, Aries? Let me. Okay, one and one more, please. Okay. I also saw a page of swords. So I think maintain that curiosity and youthfulness, but be very clear. You know, if some information is coming to you, that also was, you know, that card didn't jump out for you, but I saw that card. So I think that is what I can consider in something that you don't see coming. So, you know, when you are deciding this, you know, from Seven of Pentacles to Two of Wands, and then finally this healing happens and you move on with that determination, it is also important to maintain that curiosity and youthfulness and that defensive action, that martial energy, and, you know, really looking for truth. Do not take people and things at face value. That is why this card of planning, exploring, discovering is coming here. So page of swords is that curiosity, that, you know, spying, defense, not taking everything at face value, looking, researching, you know, researching, learning, knowledge. So that's very important. Okay, the advice from the universe for you is, I don't know if you are able to see the cards. I'm so sorry. This is a new setup and I'm not used to it. Okay. Knight of Pentacles and Eight of Swords. Okay, the piece of advice from the divine for you is Knight of Pentacles, be very slow when you decide something. There is confusion, there is decision that has to be made, but be very slow so that, you know, you can create value out of it. Eight of Swords says that in spite of whatever confusions you are into, in spite of the fact that you feel mentally stuck, the idea is if you maintain that calm, because, you know, Aries is a martially ruled, Mars ruled fiery energy, right? So you have a lot of kind of, I'm sorry to say, but impatience is definitely there. So do not take any decision in impatience that will land you into this Eight of Swords, which is like, you know, you're dependent on people to help you to come and free you. You feel mentally stuck into something. So be slow when you take decision. Do not be in haste. Take decision with a lot of patience, judging everything, seeing into all the details. That's very important, because that is why planning, along with the decision making, this is more to do with planning and exploring and understanding your life. If you don't do that, and if you just rush in like a warrior, like the typical Aries, then you land yourself into Eight of Swords kind of an energy, which is a very mentally stuck energy. Okay, so healing is on its way, movement is on its way. You will be out of this whole thing, but, you know, your Lord, your zodiac Lord Mars is debilitated. So, you know, a lot of impulsive actions you can take. There can be lethargy also. So you don't have to get into these two extremes, lethargy as well as impulsive actions. You have to maintain your balance and, you know, come to a middle point wherein you decide with all your details ready with you. Okay, and now I'm going to pull a few cards as your overall July 2021 energy, Aries. All right, so I'm also not getting one thing. What is it all about? Is it about relationship or career? So I would want spirit guides and angels to tell me in the overall 3-card July 2021 Aries overall energy read. What is it all about? And the What should they be doing? How is July 2021 for Aries overall? Oh, yeah, okay. Yeah, I just said I want to know which area are you struggling. I think you're struggling. We have Ace of Cups, Hierophant, and Two of Pentacles. So and then again Two of Wands. I think you are confused between two people to choose in terms of your relationship. And Hierophant and Ace of Swords. Ace of Cups is a card of feelings, relationship, new beginning, marriage, maybe some sort of commitment, guys. Taurus, your second house, because 2-2 is coming, and I think Taurus is of significance for you. Cancer is significant for you, and yeah. Aquarius also can be of significance to you. So maybe you're dealing with these, may or may not be, but you're definitely here confused between options, and you finally choose somebody over somebody, and there is a commitment thing. Again, Hierophant is also a card of having faith in your scenario. Okay, and it seems that you definitely are able to decide on something, but this whole July month is going to be transformative in terms of clearing the air and being really slow, being what you're not. Okay, you have to be slow, you don't have to be impulsive, you have to keep faith, you have to trust the divine, and finally this Ace of Cup is being offered to you. Guys, I think it is more to do with your interpersonal or romantic relationships that you're dealing with. Okay, in case there is a legal matter, Hierophant, Chariot, and the Stars. Yeah. So in case you are amid some legal matters, some contractual things or something, I think you'll be able to crack it positively. Let me know in the comment box, Aries, what is it all about? I feel it is more to do with some legal matters, contractual matters, not exactly legal, jail, police kind of a thing, court kind of a thing, but generally your legal matters, investment matters, house, property matters, and relationship, yes. Okay. All right, Aries, that is what I have for you for July 2021 reading. Stay tuned for weekly advices also, and I hope you have gone through the Jupiter retrograde effect pick a card reading that I had already posted. The link is there in the description box. Let me know in the comment section how these current energy and the other things match up with you. I'll be waiting for that. Please take care of yourself, and if you like this video, please like, subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video with your loved ones. Thank you. Bye-bye.